Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. My name's Haley and I am doing a spring cleaning series on the channel. I've already done the bathrooms in the house, so if you do want to check that out, get some motivation to scrub down your bathrooms, please subscribe and then go check out those videos. But today is the living room deep clean. So you know on TikTok how they have the videos of them like cleaning the rugs, soaking them in the like bathtub for a while, and then it comes out so nasty. Well, that's what I'm wanting to do with this, but obviously I can't soak it in the bathtub. I know that it doesn't look that dirty. As I'm like picking up the rug, I'm seeing that so much dirt and sand is underneath it, and I was so confused. But then I was watching other videos and I saw that is normal for the dirt and the sand to go through. So as I'm doing that, I'm realizing I really am making the right choice by cleaning up this rug. So I do also realize that there's a good chance that I might ruin it and just have to buy a new one, but I either want to get this clean or I want to buy a new one either way. Because I'm the type that if I keep looking at it and I see spots or I see that it's a little dingy, then it just bothers me. So I got to do something about it. So I'm going to take it outside and I'll show you guys what I end up doing. But I'm just trying to really vacuum it up good and get as much of like the surface dirt out of there as I can. So then now I'm just going to bring like the table and the chairs out so that I can put it out on there. And then I'll show you like what soaps and products I end up putting on it to try to wash it. And then here's a close-up. You can see again it doesn't look that bad, but it bugs me, so that's all that matters. And then I'm also going to soak the little rug that goes in front of the front door. So there's more that I did with this that I didn't show on camera because after I had it soaking wet, I thought it's never going to dry and I'm just going to have to throw it away and buy a new one. But I do end up getting it to work. So I soaked it and then let it dry overnight, and then the next day I blew it with a leaf blower, and that really brought it back to life, fluffed it up, and then you'll see at the end of the video how it does end up turning out. But this is 2 days later once that rug is almost dry outside, and I'm just going to deep clean everything. So I'm taking all the blankets off the couch, all the extra blankets out, and just kind of re-looking at all the blankets that I already have. And then I don't like to use OxyClean and like regular laundry detergent all the time. If you have watched my videos, you know that I am trying to go a little bit more natural, but since I'm doing kind of a deep clean, I don't know, I'm going to try out some OxyClean and do more chemicals and get it really clean. So that's what I'm doing, is just getting a pile of all the blankets, all the laundry that I need to do, and you'll see I'm going to do laundry throughout this whole project. So while I'm doing laundry all day, I'm also going to be working on vacuuming this couch all day. It doesn't look that bad from here, but it does collect all the dog hair. So I'm going to vacuum it, but the bad news is this vacuum doesn't last long, the battery charge. So that's a lot of hair that I picked up from those cushions right there. But that's what shows you I need to recharge it all throughout the day and then keep vacuuming it. So while it's charging, I'm going to work on the fan. It's really dusty from not being ran all winter long. And I'm going to clean out this glass, and you'll see what a difference that makes. Like, see how dingy the other glass looks right there compared to the shiny glass right there. So and get it all cleaned up, and I think it is going to make a big difference. So now I'm doing all the dusting that needs to be done, like actually moving things and not just surface level dusting. I'm getting under everything, and then I hate cleaning off blinds. So I sped this up so much because I went over every single blind, and that takes forever. I never do it, so of course with a deep clean, a spring clean, you have to do all the spots that you don't usually do. And that's why I'm doing the spring cleaning just room by room. I'm not trying to do the whole house in one day. I want to focus on each room and get all of the places and all of the things cleaned out and organized. here's a reminder too, if you are going to do a spring clean as well, don't forget the baseboards. I always forget the baseboards. So after I get all the dust off the baseboards, then it's time to really clean the floors. While I'm here at the sink, I am just going to refill a couple of cleaning products that I need to do. I have this spray and wash, which I use all the time. I don't know how I did laundry before having that. And then I'm going to refill my all-purpose cleaner. It's the Thieves from Young Living, and then I did add some essential oils to it. So now I'm bringing in the rug that I cannot believe looks so much better. I'm going to vacuum it, all sides of it, just make sure all the dog hair is off, just a really clean start. And then I cannot believe that I'm putting this back by myself. The couches are heavy, the rug's big. Violet is kind of helping, I guess. No, she's in the way. But I'm getting that all put away, and then gonna vacuum it, and I think it looks a lot better. So I am happy with how that turned out, and then I'm just putting everything back. And this is the last load of laundry of all of the blankets. So I'll show you an overview of all the blankets that I have. I'm gonna decide what's gonna stay out here, what I'm gonna put away, and then I'm gonna put the couch back together. And then throughout the night, since you saw I didn't get to finish vacuuming each cushion, off camera I'm going to wait for the vacuum to recharge, and then I'll keep vacuuming all the couch cushions, and then I'll be able to show you what it looks like after it's all vacuumed and put away tonight. If you were thinking the striped blanket looked horrible and way too busy, so did I. So I took that off and then just put the plain gray blanket on there. I think it looks a lot better. Now it's later in the night. Violet and Chapo are saying it's time to go to bed, but before we go to bed, I'm going to show you how the living room turned out. I think it looks good. It's all clean, organized, decluttered. There really wasn't a lot that I needed to declutter. I do try to keep it pretty minimal or bare in here, but it is all clean. Baseboards, the fan, the couch, the rug, everything's clean, and I think it looks pretty good. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more. There's more home renovation videos, project videos, and of course more spring cleaning videos.